Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So in today's video, I'll be making your wish come true. Okay, I'll be teaching you how to apply passing notes on descending chord progression. Okay, so if you're interested, I recommend you learn and watch the video to the end so that you can understand the application of the passing note. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you want to know more on how to play the bass guitar, I recommend you join my private lesson. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So we'll be looking at a simple song which has a simple descending chord progression. So we'll be doing this lesson on key G. Okay, so I'll be using this Ghanaian song, Hallelujah, Mi Wa Found You. Okay, so if you're a Ghanaian, if you already know the song, you can go with me. But if you haven't heard the song before, I recommend you go to this YouTube channel and listen to the song. Okay, but if you are not a Ghanaian, you can just go with me. I'll try and break down the progression. Okay, so now let's look at the progression we'll be looking at. Okay, da da one, da da da, da da da. That's your 7. Da 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 da. Okay, so now before you could play this, understand the progression, and then we move on in applying the passing note to this song. Okay, so hallelujah, we are going from 1 to 7. Mi wa faundi. So if you don't want to play your 1-7, let me give you this nice passing note. Hallelujah, mi wa faundi. You understand? So this is on your 1-7. Okay, so it goes like this. You can use the first shape and the second shape on this. So if you want to apply the first shape, you start from 1 1, then you have your 2 here. Okay, then 3. So we have 1 2 3, then now to your 6 and taking you to the 7. You can bring in the root. You understand? So on this 1 to 7 chord progression, you can apply this passing note. You can also do it this way. Da da 1 1. So it is 2 passing notes I have given to you on the 1 to 7. The first one, the second one. Very nice. Okay, so the second one goes like this: 1 1. So you play your 3 4, then you play 6 7. Then if you don't want to bring the root, you can just stay on the octave. You understand? Hallelujah, 1 1 1 1 1 7. Okay, I recommend you bring in the 7 so that the note can be a little bit heavier. Okay, you understand? So now from your 7, you will go into the 4. Hallelujah, mi wa down, then to your 5 and 1. Okay, I think 4 4 4 5 5 1. Yeah. So when you're done playing, when you've got into the 7, okay. So 7, hallelujah. Okay, so you will apply a technique here. So 1 7 5 4, taking you to the 4. 1 7 5 4. So now playing the full. Hallelujah, mi wa fa. Hallelujah, mi wa 5. Then to your 1. Okay, so learn the first one and the second one, then to your 4, then you can do a passing to your 5, then your 1. Okay, 1 to 5, then to your 1. Okay, so the descending chord from 1 to 7, then 5, 4, 5, and 1. Okay, so now the main descending chord I was talking about, da da 1, da da 7, da da 6, da da 3. You can do a 5, you can do a 3. Da da, then to your 4, then your 5, and your 1. Okay, so now let's look at 1, 7, 6 descending passing note. Okay, so da da da. So when you start on the 1, you'll be going to the 7. Okay, da da 1. That's to your 7. You understand? You can even apply the first and second 7 passing notes. So this is the third one. So okay, and it's the third one. You understand? So sometimes for me, if I'm playing my notes, I want to bring in some technique to make my notes come rich. Okay, so you understand? So okay, so that is 2, 3, 2. That's what I'm playing. So I pluck on 2, hammer on 3, I shake and pull off back to the 2, then 1, and pull off back to the 7. So then to my 6 and to my 3. So when you're done playing 7, then you play 2, 3, 6. Then what you did on your, you can do it to the 3. So learn how to do it on the from 1 to 7. Then this, I think this is a 4, 3. Okay, so you understand? Okay, so that is 5, 6, 5, 4, 3. Mi o pan da 5 2, 5, 1. So I'm starting from the head. Alleluia. Da 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 da. So you can even do this 4, 2, 6, 5. A very nice passing note to that 5 progression. 4, 2, 6, 5. It's like you're playing a triad on the 2. So 4, 2, 6. Okay, so you'll be starting from the 4. The second note will be the 2. The third note will be the 6. Then you play your 5, 5, 1. Again. Alleluia. 5, 6, 1, 2, 1. Me offer. You understand? Okay, so if you're a beginner, try this. Okay, and if you have learned that and mastered that very well, you understand, and from here master it very well, and you understand. Okay, okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.